third chamber. It's Loco. A requested guitar riff from our followers. So let's go. Yung tuning niya, the tuning is standard B. So from 6th string is B, and then lower string is B also. Tapos yung 5th string is E, A, D, and F sharp. Okay, yung intro, kinuha ko siya dito sa B5. And then the 6th string is open. Ayan ko nito. And then after B5, slide mo lang siya sa 4. Open pa rin yung 6th string. Slow. By the way, you can bend it a little lang para yung sounds niya nagwe-wave. Maganda yung pagkakatunog niya. So slow again. And then yung beat niya, isa muna, and then twice yung pangalawa. So slow. And then yung sa pangatlo, tag-isa-isa sila. So slow again. And then E5. And then yung main riff will be next. For the main riff, play like this. Okay, the playing chord would be E2, E3, E8, and then E7. And then meron siyang bar, F sharp 5. Pero ito lang, E2 and then A4. Tapos yung bar din niya na isa na G5, this one. E3 and then A5. So slow. 4 times and then 3, slide mo lang siya sa 2. And then yung second part is 7-8. Or pwede mo siyang i-play dito. Same tone lang naman siya. Pero dito ako nasanay. I choose this one instead dito kasi baka malito ako dun sa bar yung F sharp 5. So depende rin sa inyo. So slow. And then yung next same pattern. Yun na yung yung may bar, yung F sharp 5. And then 7/8. Slow. So, pagkatapos nung ano, F sharp 5, 7/8 na sa E. Slow. And then yung E2 2 times. Then open and then 7/8. So slow. Third part, same pattern. So instead na 7/8, mag E3 ka, yung G5. So slow. Sa fourth time, same pattern dun sa unang riff, yung ganito. Sa dito sa G5. So yung ganito na lang. Twice siya, and then yung verse yung susunod na nun. Isa pa. Yung verse na yung sunod nun. For the verse, I played like this. And then yung sunod nun is chorus na. The chorus will be next. So, yung chord nun, harmonic siya eh. So, from D5, G5, B5, then E5. Parang ganito. And then yung next is yung main riff. Play again. Yung chorus na yung sunod na. For the chorus, I played like this. nun is F sharp 5, this one, E2, A4, and then D4, parang F sharp minor. Pero the lower string, you will not play that. And then you will move this pattern papunta sa F. Okay, so slow. Twice siya na ipi-play. And then E5. So slow again. For the bridge part, I play like this. And then yung last na papunta na siya sa ending nun. So, yung chord nun is E2 and then E3 tapos open, something like this. Then yung next riff, octave na siya. E, A7, and then G9. So, pero yung D is muted. Muted nitong sinakaganyan ka. Then, sunod is slide mo lang siya sa 8, 8, 10. 3 times. And then after nito, you will slide sa 10, 12. And then 12, 14. So slow. Okay, for the ending part, same pattern dun sa main intro, like this one. I think it's twice lang na ipi-play. Kasi yung intro dun sa pinakauna is 4 times siya ipi-play. But this one is twice only. And then after nito, may bagsakan na, diba? And then this one is mas mabilis, much faster. Basta marinig mo yung palo ng drums, pak, signal na yon dun sa this one, wala na siya yung yung sa 2, 4, and 3. So, diretso na siya. Like this one. And then, you will not play yung parang harmonics sa 5, 5D, and then G5, B5, and then E5. Diba yun yung sa verse 1. I think it's 6 times. Tapos chorus na. And then pagkatapos nun, bagsakan sa E minor. And then yung ending part is ganito. Once lang siya mapiplay. So, okay, that's it. So, that's my guitar tutorial for Loco by Cool Chamber. And then, please do follow me sa Facebook ko, yung Jongski. And then, yung sa YouTube channel ko rin, yung Jong TV 360. Kakastart ko lang dun eh. So, nag-upload ako ng mga videos. I already uploaded my videos na luma. And then yung mga bago. So, may mga tutorial din doon na pinost ako na pwedeng mapanood nyo. So, yun lang. So, see you next time guys. May mga ibang guitar riffs na requested pa sa Messenger. Hindi ko pa nababasa eh. So, yun lang. So, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for watching and then good day guys.